This is part 2 of restoring our wild garden. Today we finally restored the pond and fountain. When we first found this pond, it was completely overgrown with weeds and plants. There was stagnant water and mosquitoes and not a single sign that water could flow through here. So we got to work pulling out the overgrowth. Once we could finally see the shape of the pond again, we figured out that the pump was broken. So we had to order some replacement parts as well as a brand new water filter. Then we submerged everything back into the pond. There was still a giant island of floating plants in the middle of the pond that the frogs loved to hang out on, but unfortunately it had to go too. We chopped this giant island of plants in half and pulled it out of the pond. This thing was so heavy it was ridiculous. And even though we had spent days weeding, we had still more weeds and plants to pull out of this pond. Then we rearranged all the rocks back around the pond. And our little guys helped us start to fill up this pond with water again. Finally, it was time to plug the pump back in and see if it worked. Just as a reminder, this is what the pond looked like beforehand. And this is what it looks like now. This is just one of the first steps to reclaiming this wild garden. And in part 3, we're reclaiming the pizza oven and building a pizza patio. So be sure to come back to see how it all turns out.